Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bechamel sauce, white sauce. Bechamel sauce is one of the 5 mother sauce of French classical cuisine. So for make a bechamel sauce, we need to make a white roux. Roux is an equal quantity of flour and butter used to thicken a sauce. So let's get started. You can use this sauce to make a pasta, lasagna, and for baked vegetables, for fish, chicken, and for more recipes. Do try this recipe, share this video with your friends and family, hit the like button if you like this video, follow and subscribe. Have an amazing day. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.